yen kase boss and say ya she ho kran awie ntin sem awodo ya boabo no me de so mo say na ya wa day bedwam so kase ensem no do betie bi ene say sanerugu ya agenda 111 ampanimfo si no hene ba kwa kasa say se de esi konya sa chechede de ha adwen pa sanso na wono mo awowo ahomegye mu a wode won sika akoto baabi pensioner bond holders forum no omo de krata na se ensem ato Ghana aban no anim na inflation niema ya na yeto ne bo ene se de asetena mu tie no abafom ya Ghana Statistical Services wo mu adi emunchemu aba we ni nsem ahodo bi na mde so mo se bedwam so kase kai se DSTV channel 280 Go TV channel 119 we share me ya frame I'm not sure ba ajwa se wa finchemu no be de twaso amount agenda 111 Ghana ban wani so ade hunu so behwe sia ya sabia wo mia ya hodo bi sebe ya na wada ya de kase ya bebo ya COVID-19 bi obi nkase bi nsi de na so se bibisa yi ne tia Ghana ye ho ebe ha ye na ya sabia ho nsem no gina brane ewo oman yi emu na no na pani ye no wosa ne rugu mpatem ho no mo he no ho na Alasan Mahmudu oni Adom kase ama ne bofo akwa pro no wo kyerese se de adwuma no ekonya na ha adwen pa nto srempanifo se omo ani nkwo no wonsi enwie ne ntem no nte wonsam fi ho se be ya ebetumi asomo manfo.
But the time has just passed. At the time that they give us, they said when they are just come to lay the foundation, they said they are using 1 year to finish everything. But so far, as the way everybody can see it, not me alone, and not the paramount chief alone. Everybody can assess it and see whether what they said, they can just compromise it or it will more than that the year they expected, more than how they are talking that it will do. It's almost 2 years. Yes, it's almost 2 years.
Kwabna yeboa eye adwuma ewo baabi a wo sisa ayaresa bia yi wogina contractors and supervisors a wo si dan ya namu a kire de enti a besi ne ya no wontumi ensi ayaresa bia no enwie nanso ne nyina mu no wo hyebo se ento ase opanim abosome ewo afimpinu ane aduonu miensa emra wie no na wonom ese awie
ahyase no nso ne ha adwen kakra enti na antimi ama adwuma no ankoso se de mpese nka mo hunu no bese se na nso na tene de edman guso a eco smooth ebe fefefe ama obi ehu se le pendi kankan ye no ekopin December ne de e bia toto ye materials wo ho ye hia ne se ebetimi akoso a ebe ye adwuma bet ekopin December ne de e bia ye fine mo bia a wachire bia menstro se adwuma no aka ho
yenhwe wonomu a wakwa ahomegye mu no wadu sika hodo toto bond wonomu eco pensioner bond holders forum no womo eguso a woye yekire woye nanu na ekamea sai wante hwe mfiri aban no wonti wode de etoso biensa asoso na womo ye yekire ni mu no eno panyin no eno wakasa ema seko no Dr. Edu Anane Ntwi wode ensemoto Ghana aban no woni se wose ne principal na yekire sa sika no do mo de kwato ho no wankasa no no aban ntua a disenka ensihu no a wo panimpo ena ema ya nka wose principal na nkasa de wonsa to be kana aban fa ma wono mu nti wo ma aban no ate se sika no de to ho no mo no bosumi bi e ba be ka ho bia no obesese ho nsi ho na Ghana aban etua
the aban yi meka se ne aban eyenti wa anhwa ne yi a da chi bia no se wotua principal no ma yen wie a na yen hu enadodo a ekamu a ye betwiro ababan se na o si coupons no e fa say bonds average interest 18.5 a saa sika na wo ma eda wo nchen a be 80 days no sese ho interest na fatua wo ma odi wo musika wontumi mfa nkofo sika free
enwachi opanyini baako a waka pension fo yi ho Commodore Samuel Redu anim ya wako na homegye mu na wɔkyerɛ sɛ afempinu no nwɔtwe mu ɛna wɔkɔ na homegye mu ɛwɔ asra adwuma ekuo no ma wɔyɛ adwuma mfie aduasa ɛnwɔtwe sɛ bɛyɛ na ne sika wɔbɛhu sɛ ɛda baabi yɛ nti na ɔde kɔma aban na de aban ɛyɛ ne yidie ɛkamea yɛ sɛ ne maame ɛne ne mma a wɔn de wani ato ne so no aban ɛyɛ ama na di wɔn mu ehwɛmɔ.
There were other options. Go and buy a taxi and run, or go and get a kiosk and sit inside. But the safest and what I thought I was advised without any aches was the government bonds. I didn't want too much just a little to first and foremost look after my health and those who rely on me.
Ghana Statistical Service mumpeni for yenhwehwe modi abetu dwa se ene inflation ene ma bo se de ene si hurihuri no faswa ya ne daso ne ka hondo ya ne wo ho no sese ya de se yewura afi mu no eso ate na wo chemu a ene eprobosumi ni mu no na ejina 45% na so ha mu nchemu aduanan num sabra ya kasa de eso ate abejina ha mu nchemu aduanan ba ko akiri pomienu wo chemu a we no eyenuane so bo na afa niam anya nuane de krefri obi man so ba ene de ye ne mai mu a no wahwe hu ne se niam atumi akofoma Ghana for do na enche wonkom behind wo no.
And today's release of April 2023 Consumer Price Index and rate of inflation with the following highlights. In the month of April 2023, rate of inflation stood at 41.2% on a year-on-year basis. This 41.2% that was recorded for the month of April 2023 signifies a 3.8 percentage drop relative to the rate that was recorded for the month of March 2023, which stood at 45.0%. From a food and non-food perspective, we recorded a 13.3 percentage point difference, with food inflation for the month of April 2023 48.7% and non-food inflation for the month of April 2023 35.4%. We have seen a much sharper drop from a non-food perspective, as non-food dropped by 5.2 percentage points between the rate that was recorded in March 2023 relative to the rate that is recorded for the month of March 2023, 40.6%, and April 2023, 35.4%. From a food perspective, we saw a relatively smaller drop between the month of March 2023 and April 2023, with a drop of about 2.1 percentage points. In the month of March 2023, food inflation stood at 50.8%, and April 2023, 48.7%.
Yanko dome kwabenya mensino emuna kroba kwa nasa brono ba ko shefre ne taifa bokina nano memenda ensuka kraka eto be don premiensa no ama nipa dodo no abebi a odi wonti beto no ehon sem ayede mpa ne ama ne bofo akompotem ho no mo a omanfo bi kyerese ensuo no ama sade omadan fa adwudwa ebidie nso ensuo na hohoro ne nyina kwa afa kwa ya wode a contractors guso a woye no ekwan no asia ya abrehwo sem pa na sade omanfo dodo na etwe won no mafiri adan mu na dom kase adi akyerese
wo ye wo ye chi ebuye enti e de flat e ba ha me kra de na me wo market e no mo frɛ me ba ensu a tai ha no enya asem ketwa ye ginamu ne ya twi ensu no tugu ye wie na eniema no me kra de na me fo se eniema ne mfo but enne e na me se me nkwa adwuma me ba behwe
ne asrem panyimfo no so omomo ayen because se no me ma bebre adwanumra ekope ba bi ne yeda e na second omu books omu de be ko school omu school hu ne ma ni nyina we kroko ss this year ya no koye ne books o nyina ne school atade nyina ase
wono wa won ho aka e de sede e to contractors anim se won san emra ba bia no wo ye ensone ene bonka wodo no no ma mewi adwuma no emfama wo mu
mo yen kata na wi ba ne krenya mianim ne kata no mo ye wi a ekwan na mu ne te na ewo mu no enti man so ne en go through enti e ba ne sa no eso no to mra na ye ni na ye ho so enti ye de atete ne eso so ba ye so no utu se ba the force enti da na ye wo mu no utu se eso na ye ma na so ma na ye no nya de e pia bonton ba na e ba enti de by force bububu man for war in fact very painful enti ye sre aban se onti ono mu kasa
ebeni mo kyerese sesi afa ne sitobre no kura hyase anhwe yi a na wo mama ne hunu no emu ayeden ne senti empanifo enti wo mo so frɛ.
The government has to do something about this because it's very, very bad. I say a lot of people were crying on Saturday. Saturday, no, I say because that guest house. It was mean to me that fear. And so now by them honina and danimunina. And I say government nife no nya bibi won.
Adiba ko aye senke hiane se. So ko mu ye wie pono ko mu yiyi emu na tena kra afima. Em sen kan ko betuma bo kakra. Nte be so mo ni dem so mo aye na mutum nya kwan tentem se be ya e ho beto
enyumaku awodo ne mpanimfo a wonom edi ntintiman ewo ensuo ene na honidie ho nsem na afei oman Ghana nkase ya honidie ho ensem meche water sanitation and hygiene sector no womudi ade hwede ato Ghana ban no anim se wosrada sebe ya mansin assemblies awodo betuma ye adwuma na honidie ho nsem bekoso wo mayi munti aban ne hwede wontinani Emma a woman as scarce a fataro, one for Emma woman, World Vision for and a woman was amping for Yanua, and churches from Koya Safata, Wayama.
If you want say metropolitan, municipal, and district assemblies, no, or Asudi Kesiapa, Asudia, and Bremuno, Yadiama won't say, one share no one yan to ye. Emma Nipa, I organa Henina, Indian Supanum, now one tina and Demono. I will say to me, anyone dins our so. Now you share one hour our firm, you share opportunities our work, you share quite a fast so I bet Buawon. Amma once word to me, Abua, Amma won't call for you now, it's me and Supanum, no Atina Hunidium.
Kojomensa Brampa, and Director General, Eda National Development Planning Commission, and no Chrimua, I was a buying Edisikapi, a share, mentioning penny for a Juma Wamu agenim.
Sikane niema omo de be yeduma yes campaign ko nimdie any machines ni ade de yeduma nkan ekura kese ni se be waste ye kan ho asem nya de keto emudu eso ena se be nya hwi barrel ena wo de besesa wo hia niema ye de yakade am betum de aye en ye gidi se e fo mo nimdie na eduma mo hyehye ne ade so mo nya kade a o betum aye pa.
Local government service anemusifo ebebia wo mo kire se eda wakoma so se mensin penifo woni wo be ye adwuma no waye ni yie esan se wo mo ena mantem no mensin awodo e hye wo mo nsa penipa wo da local government service ano eye na atho ata na nchiremu sei en wode emaye
access to water, access to sanitation, and more so leaving no one behind. You assembly na assembly bia Adom and you is under Seka, the Ghana, by a year. What shall so assemblies? But every department is local. Yes, the leadership must be seen, people must be committed.
Ko assemdibia wonum ensem emwa. United States Department of Justice wonum ene Ghana Legal Aid Commission no aka wo ho abom na jumadi ehronkokwa na wonum edi na we ne ye Ghana Public Defenders Division na wo mo bi wo mo botaye no jumadi nyina ne se ebia waye nyambransem bi anase court no na ya ba okwadu se waye de bodefo sem bi wo se du kogina mranim nanso woni sika wode kwakofa mranim ni na gina mu atwitwaje wo se akue na behwe na ne wo mo ama obi ye obegina mu atwitwaje wo woni sika kora na adwuma no obeya ma opepe.
They are on remand. Wo prison hopi won asem no won hwenyo won kan na mom ye nya lawyer for wo fi division ya wa akọ we ka bisebise mu ahwe ma wa aboa ma we dibi no asem ma we yi won nti se na documentary no wori yi no se na wo ho a obeti won a wori zidase there a how day no krom nso wonya lawyers from the Legal Aid Commission under the PD division and CCA we nya won fa hodi.
Rahel Rossi, a director, Office for Access to Justice, ya ewo US Department of Justice mu. Ono so kire mu ahodo a wonum edema Legal Aid Commission sebeya sabota yesi wonum ani so no betumi edru ho.
The Commission's 5-year strategic plan is commendable. The plea bargaining law enacted last July could also serve to expedite the resolution of the many cases which could be resolved outside of the formal court system.
Diana Snabadapa, a Deputy Attorney General and Minister for Justice, Obedumedina Sibia, no student sensei at so.
If some do now offenders now, the Bebanibia no need a lawyer. Say the public defender for another romantino. You be be obey church was in much as me. I send me a diababo kwedu. So would you this one away ya? And who he has obey we still buying time. I mean a cock trial.